Introducing Sigma Nest, the world's most advanced CAD/CAM nesting software. We help our customers expand their potential by providing smart software solutions that drive the future of manufacturing. Sigma Nest is designed with customizable, modular features that allow you to get the most out of your manufacturing processes. Sigma Nest connects individual manufacturing operations to the entire organization to drive incremental improvements and improve efficiency, regardless of your industry sector. From quoting to production to shipping, Sigma Nest comes packed with a range of features that delivers 5 key benefits to your fabrication workflow. That is, for materials, better nesting and an improved remnant strategy that delivers 5% or more in material gains. For motion, our solution provides more than a 20% boost in efficiency due to faster programming and faster cutting paths and shop floor solutions. For manpower, Sigma Nest increases manpower capability with ergonomic solutions, industry-focused software, and process automation. In management, our solution integrates data from all areas of operation, giving you key insights and greater yields from your machines. Lastly, Sigma Nest allows you to run all of your machines from one software platform, allowing you to share skills throughout the factory, therefore increasing flexibility and efficiency. Discover the wide range of opportunities Sigma Nest holds for your business today. Sigma Nest. Nest with the best.